Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to talk about career in fitness industry. If you are a fitness trainer or coach, how you can make money? Should you do a business or a job or work as a freelance? So let's see how a bodybuilder, fitness coach, trainer, consultant can make money. So if you choose to be a work as a fitness and training consultant, then उसमें आप हो सकते हैं एक पर्सनल ट्रेनर, आप बन सकते हो ऑनलाइन फिटनेस कोच, ग्रुप फिटनेस कोच, CrossFit coach, strength and conditioning coach, gym manager, gym owner, boot camp organizer, functional fitness trainer, body transformation coach, प्री कंपटीशन कोच. बहुत सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं तो वहाँ पर भी कोच की ज़रूरत होती है, राइट. देन यू कैन बिकम ए पोस्ट पार्टम फिटनेस ट्रेनर, सीनियर सिटीजन फिटनेस स्पेशलिस्ट. बहुत ही कम लोग हैं जो सीनियर सिटीजन को टारगेट करते हैं. मोस्टली अगर जिम में देखेंगे तो दे टारगेट पीपल द एज ग्रुप ऑफ 20 to 40 50. और योगा में जाएंगे तो दे टारगेट सीनियर सिटीजन. So you can be in a gym industry, you can also target senior citizens. Then powerlifting coach, then youth fitness coach, corporate fitness trainer, adaptive fitness trainer like for disabilities, virtual reality fitness trainer, and in-home personal fitness trainer. Like home tuitions भी आप लोग दे रहे हैं. So somewhere 20 things I have shared like a fitness and training. Then comes as a nutritional and wellness expert. You can become a sport nutritionist, dietitian with certificate, meal plan developer, online nutrition consultant, nutritional app creator, customized supplement formulation, health food blogger, organic meal preparation service, keto diet consultant. Then comes veg or you can say vegan plant-based diet, protein recipe creator, fitness focus, cooking classes, nutrition book author, macro training guide you can say, or you can say seller, macro tracking seller. So now let's come to some ventures, competitive ventures, professional bodybuilder, fitness competition organizer, judging bodybuilding contest, event hosting or emceeing, sponsorship deal for company competitions. देन बॉडी बिल्डिंग पोजिंग कोच. बॉडी बिल्डिंग में भी बहुत सारे वे रहते जब हम लोग एक स्टेज पे जाते. तो फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन किस टाइप का हमारा पोज होना चाहिए सो दैट वी कैन अट्रैक्ट, so that also you can bring. Then competitive athlete management. Now coming to the content creation. So if you want to make money and a good money in a very short span of time, you can become a content creator like fitness YouTuber, Instagram fitness influencer और TikTok fitness content creator. इंडिया में अभी TikTok बैन है बट यू कैन डू दैट टू. पॉडकास्टर, फिटनेस ब्लॉगर, फिटनेस फोटोग्राफर, फिटनेस वीडियोग्राफर, ऑनलाइन फिटनेस challenges, membership based fitness content, fitness ebook author, online fitness course creator, webinar or workshop host, work plan creator, motivational fitness speaker. अगर जितने भी चीज़ें मैंने बताई है जहाँ पे यू कैन वर्क और बिकम a fitness coach or you can make money, if you need help in detail just let me know in the comment section. I'll share the details. Then comes modeling and media. You can become fitness model, magazine cover model, commercial actor, brand ambassador, fitness equipment model, fitness product reviewer, cosplay modeling, that is fitness theme character, posters and calendar sales, social media brand collaboration, endorsement deals for apparels, fitness apparel modeling. Then coming again to entrepreneurship, you can start your fitness apparel business, custom gym equipment manufacturer, supplement based creation, or you can say supplement brand creation, subscription based fitness platform, personalized workout gear, franchisee gym, create a fitness app, host fitness retreats, create an online fitness store, home gym setup consultant, fitness event planning service, bodybuilding seminar organizer, partner with wellness resort, develop fitness board games. Now come to the educational service. You can start your own organization where you can give certification course for instructor, fitness workshop leader, fitness curriculum designer, college professor. You can be sports, science, fitness, high school strength coach, public speaking, fitness on fitness topic. Then comes health and rehabilitation. You can be a physical therapy assistant, rehabilitation specialist, biomechanics consultant, massage therapist for athletes, post injury trainer, recovery product designer, stress management coach, yoga instructor, specialized for strengthening and athletes. Then there are some miscellaneous. You can calculate custom fitness podcast, selling bodybuilder or art, fitness consulting for gyms, fitness tech product tester, fitness retreat organizer एंड मेनी मोर. अगर इनमें से भी आप किसी एक में निश कर लेते हैं एंड यू स्टार्ट डूइंग दैट एक्टिविटीज ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस अदर देन योर जॉब और एनीथिंग एल्स, you will start earning a good money and your career will boom. नहीं तो ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि पीपल एंड अप जस्ट वर्किंग एज ए फिटनेस कोच और यू कैन से जिम में जाके ट्रेनर रहते हैं एंड देन उनका मैनेजर होता है पोजिशन है एंड दो चार जिम्स संभालते हैं ओनली दैट. So if you be specialized, you can make good money. And if you need any details कि कोई एक टॉपिक पर कैसे हम उसको लाइफ में चेंज ला सकते हैं या हाउ आई कैन गेट मोर money by making niche, then just let me know in the comment. I'll share the rest of it. Thank you.